Hi everyone, welcome to MedCracker. Today I shall be discussing about axilla. The axilla, also called armpit, is a pyramidal space situated between upper part of the arm and chest wall. It has following: an apex, a base, and four walls. They are anterior, posterior, medial, and lateral. From the figure, this is humerus and this is chest wall. So axilla is a pyramidal space. Axilla is a pyramidal space situated between upper part of the arm and chest wall. It's axilla. It has part apex. This is apex, which is directed upwards and medially to root of the neck. Upwards and medially to root of the neck. This is also called cervico-axillary canal. And base is directed downwards. Base is directed downwards and it has four wall: anterior, posterior, medial, and lateral. This is lateral wall, lateral wall. This is medial wall, and this is posterior wall, and this is anterior wall of axilla. To discuss details about boundaries, at first, apex, also called cervicoaxillary canal. It is directed upwards and medially towards the root of the neck. It is truncated, not pointed. It is truncated and correspond to triangular interval. Triangular interval means three boundary: anteriorly, posteriorly, and medially. Anteriorly is by posterior surface of clavicle, posteriorly by superior border of scapula along with medial aspect of coracoid process, and medially it is bounded by outer border of false rib. We can understand this in detail from the figure. This is axilla, axilla apex, apex of axilla, and it is bounded anteriorly by posterior surface of clavicle, posterior surface of clavicle, and posteriorly by superior border of scapula, and medially by outer border of false rib. This is apex of axilla. And now talking about base or floor of axilla. It is directed downwards and is formed by skin, superficial, and axillary fascia. And talking about walls, at first anterior wall. Anterior wall is formed by the pectoralis major muscle in front, clavipectoral fascia, and pectoralis minor. And about posterior wall formed by posterior wall is subscapularis above, teres major, and latissimus dorsi below. We can understand this from the figure. This is anterior, posterior, the superior and inferior. Here base of axilla, which is formed by outermost skin, superficial fascia, and axillary fascia. Apex is upwards, base is downwards, and this is the anterior wall. Anterior wall. This is the posterior wall. And we studied above, anterior wall is formed by pectoralis major muscle, clavipectoral fascia, and pectoralis minor muscle. And posterior wall is formed by subscapular muscle above, and teres major and latissimus dorsi below. This is anterior posterior wall. Anterior wall, posterior wall. Base, apex. About medial wall, it is convex laterally and formed by following structure: upper foreribs and upper part of serratus anterior muscle. This is posterior, anterior, lateral, and medial side. And about medial wall is formed by, this is rib, and medial wall is formed by serratus anterior muscle and upper foreribs. And lateral wall is very narrow because the anterior and posterior wall converge on it. Lateral wall is narrow because anterior and posterior converge on it, so very narrow, and it is formed by upper part of shaft of humerus in the region of the bicipital groove and coracobrachialis and short head of bicep brachii muscle. Coracobrachialis and short head of bicep brachii muscle and shaft of humerus को upper part contributes to lateral wall. This is humerus head, shaft of the humerus and coracobrachialis and short head of bicep brachii from the lateral wall, and serratus anterior along with the upper four ribs from the medial wall. About the contents: axillary artery and axillary vein and its branches, infraclavicular part of brachial plexus, and 5 group of axillary lymph node, also lung thoracic and intercostobrachial nerves, axillary fat and areolar tissue. You remember by first of all vascular structure. Vascular structure are artery and vein, axillary artery and axillary vein. Then neural structure, brachial plexus, lung thoracic and intercostal nerves. Then lymphatics, axillary lymph node, and also axillary fat and areolar tissue.